Hi everybody, welcome back. How are you doing? Let me move so I can walk in here. I had to move my carts so I could walk in here. I told you I was going to show you my ribbon shelf. And you can't see me very well, so let's go up. Okay. So here is my Christmas in July. I'm going to kind of concentrate on the Christmas stuff because I do have just a teeny bit of Halloween stuff, and I will do that, show you those when I do my cart or whatever. But for Christmas, this shelf right here is for that. I have a couple of things up here, but I will show you what I have. I bought these, oh god, 4 or 5 years ago, and I had 3 of them. I put one in a giveaway basket. I'm putting it together, my craft giveaway basket, and so I'm like, I don't need all of those. I'll just keep these 2 just in case. These little ribbons I have in my Get Ready December Daily video, so you can go watch that video to see the other ones I have. I have, this one is really pretty. It has some gold flecks on it, and this one is just kind of like it's got green, but kind of farmhousey looking. Yes, I have been painting those ones. Let me move those over here. Okay, and this one has silver on it. This one is another one of those, but it's just red and white. I love this, but I'm kind of more into the black and white. And I put more of that on my tree last year. So it's red and white and silver, and I incorporated some of the farmhouse stuff into it, and I think there's some red in it. So this year I'm going to add more red to what I already have. I want to see how that looks. I'm not sure if I'm going to like it. And there's some of this. This I got at Dollar Tree. There's this one. Let's see. I guess we're doing red right now. I got the snowflake. I love that one. I love that one. This one is like that silver one, but with red. And then I have this. This is really pretty. I really liked it, but I have not made anything with it. I have no idea what I'm going to do with that. I don't know. But this one is like this, kind of like this one. So that. Let me get in behind here. I have 3 of these. Every time I see this every year, I grab another one or a couple because I know I'm going to use it for something. I just haven't decided yet what. So I do have 3 of those. That. I got a couple more red. Here is this one. Is the poinsettia on it. Here's another red one with the silver. That's kind of like that one. Oh, it's different. It's different, but similar. And then I have this. Glitter gets everywhere with it. And last year I came across this, which I really like. I have some of this. It's red and black, and where this is black and white, I'm thinking that it may, I add pieces of that here and there, but I think this is going to be the hot cocoa thing that I'm going to do, the red and black, not the black and white. I think it's going to be this, incorporate some of this, and this is the only one I have of this. So I'm hoping I can find some more of this year. That's going to be on my list to find. This one is really pretty. It looks like snow. Looks like snow. And this one is snowflakes. Can you see it? Snowflakes. And this has just got a stripe. me see if this one's better. Oh no, this is just glitter. Just glitter. Just glitter. And then I have a plain white. I think I got this at Dollar General, is the yellow. And this is just white burlap. And this one falls apart everywhere. If you use this glitter stuff, you need to spray it like with hairspray or something so it doesn't keep coming off. But I do like this, and I do add this quite a bit. This is my last one of this. I think I'm gonna have to pick up a couple more this year. I'm hoping I find it at Dollar Tree. I don't know. I do have some of this glitter ribbon from Dollar Tree. This is really pretty. This one I found last year and fell in love, and I should have bought 2 of them. Look, I absolutely love this ribbon. And I need to do something with it, but I don't know what. This I might use on my little mailbox. I don't know. And then I have some silver. And then I have a big thing of the glitter burlap stuff. So that's my Christmas ribbons. I don't have a lot of the silver white, but I do have a bunch of reds, and I do have some reds up here. This is just pieces that are left that I can use for something, and then there's this one. This one came off the roll. I don't know where the roll is. And then I have a couple of these. You can get them at Dollar Tree. This is the burlap ribbon. And it comes out during fall, so they should be getting this out. So I got 2 of those last year. I've got a little bit of this left. And I've got 2 of these. This is the maroon and gold. So that is my Christmas ribbon. And I have a bunch of the different black and white ribbons, of course, but you can use those for Halloween, fall, you know, my Halloween stuff and all of that. So, alrighty, well, I hope you enjoyed that. Kind of gave me a clue of what I need to get. I need to get more of the red and black. I have enough of the other stuff, and I want to get another one of these when it comes out. Hopefully I remember when everything comes out. So, there is everything. I hope you enjoyed my little ribbon haul or spot. And any questions, definitely feel free. And I will talk to you again soon.